Hi, my name is Alejandro Ochoa, and today we're going to learn how to use Microsoft Office calendar application to help us set up our appointments and make future dates available that are important. So here we go. First, you have to hit the Start key to open your calendar. Just have to give that a second to load up. Okay, and here we go. Okay, as you can see here, it pulls it up in the month view for the current month, June. Today is the 5th, so that's why today is highlighted. You have a couple of different options of viewing. You can view it in the month view as it is now. You can change it to a week view and view your specific appointments for the week. Or we can change it to view for a specific day, and you can see your different appointments that you have for a particular day of the week. So first we'll start by putting it back to the month view, and you can see you have days of the month, and you can use the arrow keys to switch over to the new months. So this is August, September, October, November, December, and to the following year. So we'll go back to this month, June, and we'll start by adding a few dates in here of important appointments that we have coming up. Okay, the first appointments I want to set up, we're actually going to set up a class schedule for summer quarter, and we can do that by beginning with, okay, we can start by choosing the 24th since classes start then, and you come up to the top tab up here where it says new. You'll create a new appointment, click on that. Title, we'll just call this the name of the class, which will be philosophy. We'll make that capital. Philosophy 3335. Location, we can call this Cal State East Bay. This is going to start on the June, we'll change this to June 24. Class starts at 10 a.m. So you can come to the drop down screen and change the date and the time of each particular class. So here we'll change this to 10 o'clock a.m. and this is a 2-hour class. So we'll change this to 12 p.m. This is going to be a repeat appointment since this is a Tuesday-Thursday class. So if you check mark the check to make the appointment repeat, you will have to then choose this recurrence box, which you can choose specific days that it happens in. You choose this. This is will be for a weekly class. Class will be Tuesdays and Thursdays. So we'll uncheck the Monday box and choose Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, so you can see down here that it gives you the start date. We're going to choose a new ending date, which is right here. We choose a drop down screen, and we can choose the 10th. We'll choose the 12th because that's the end of the week. You can do that and double check that your appointment times are correct and the duration is the correct time. So again, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., 12 noon. This is a 2-hour class. So once you verify that this is okay, you can hit the OK button And you can see now that your new appointment has been changed. It's a reoccurring appointment, and this starts Tuesday, June 25th and ends Thursday, September 12th, the week of finals. The time you see is here, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., and this occurs every Tuesday and Thursday of the week. And from here, you can just select OK. So now as you scroll to the next month, you can see that all of your appointments have been updated for the week and for the month. So we have one 10 a.m. class here, Tuesday, Thursday, and it repeats just as we needed it. July, August, ending September the 12th of the final week of finals. So now we can go back and repeat this. Just click here on beginning date. We'll come back up here to the top and select new appointment. And we'll try this again and do it for another class. Okay, the next appointment we're going to do is going to be for our new class, which is Management 4650. And this location will also be here at Cal State. East Bay. This will be the same starting date for 6:25, but this is going to be a 12 o'clock class, and this is also a 2-hour class, so we'll change this until 2 p.m. so that you can see here that we have another 2-hour class. This is also going to be a repeat class, and we're going to have to change the recurrence once again. This is a Tuesday, Thursday class also. So we can double check here to make sure everything is correct so far before moving on. We have Tuesday, Thursday class, once a day, ending on change this to the 12th, just as the other assignment. We'll double check here that our appointment times are the same. 12 p.m. to 2 p.m., 2-hour class. And once we verify that this is okay, we can again click OK. And you can see here that we'll check our start and ending times. It's very important to make sure you double check your work to make sure you are implementing the correct time, because we do not want to get these mixed up and have our appointments on the wrong day. That would definitely not be a good thing. So once you verify that everything is correct, we can again hit OK. And our second class should appear right here, just as right next to our other class. So as you can see here, we can verify that our classes are in sequential order. We have our first philosophy class, starts at 10 a.m. The second management class starts at 12 p.m. And you can see here we have each Tuesday and Thursday filled so far into July, August, and September, ending the week of the 9th with the final class being on the 12th. So again, we have one more class to do. So again, repeat the same process. Click the new appointments feature here on top, and this is going to be an accounting class. So accounting, course number 2701. Again, location, Cal State East Bay. Okay, since once we've added our title here, you can also use a drop-down menu to add the same location. If it's a repeat location, it will save your location here, which you entered in the previous appointments. So here, Cal State East Bay is already here and highlighted. So we can just select that, and that will come up automatically. Again, we change our date to start on June 24 or the week of, and this will be a 2 p.m. class. So again, we choose a drop down box and again find the correct time, which is 2 p.m. This appointment will end. This is another 2-hour class, as it seems to be all of our classes here at Cal State on 2 days a week are 2-hour classes. So we can choose 4 p.m. and this again is a repeat appointment also. So we just select your recurrence box once again and unselect Monday and select Tuesdays and Thursdays. And we'll have to change the ending date to end on the 12th, which would be our final day of class. And here we can see we have a 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. class, duration 2 hours. Everything is correct once again, so we can select OK. And here we can verify everything once again, make sure we're all correct, and select OK. So this little box here just means you have more. So if you select this little drop down box right here, noted by the little triangle with the dots, we know that we have a further appointment on there. So if you were to go ahead and just select that, you will pull up, it'll switch you to the day view, and you can see that we have multiple appointments here. Here in the morning it's already pre-selected where it breaks it down until the morning schedule, which here is considered 7 a.m. until 12 p.m. and you can see that we have one class here, 10 a.m. to 12, which is our philosophy class. In the afternoon, gives the afternoon box 12 to 5, and we have 2 classes here, 12 to 2, our management class, and another 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. accounting class. You can also add a separate appointment if you have any extra appointments that you need to do or any projects you need to work on that you have scheduled for that day. You can also add it into the evening portion here, where you can add a separate event occurring from anywhere from 5 p.m. until 12 midnight, which you can do here. So for us to go back, we can just go back and choose our month view, and we can see here that we can go back into August, July, and to June. So we can see here that our updated summer quarter classes have been here, and now we can start adding some other appointments that we may have, doctor's appointments, vet appointments for our animals, other scheduling conflicts that we may have to do. So we can start adding a few of those in, and I've already kind of predetermined a few of them just to add in to use as examples, and we can start doing those right now. Okay, so the next step we're going to do, we're going to start adding some vet appointments that I have for a new puppy. So her next vet appointment is actually on July 8th on Monday morning. So we can select that and go back to the new appointment, and we'll call this vet appointment, and this location will be at the VCA Animal Hospital. Okay, this appointment is at 11:30 in the morning and should last about an hour or so. So we'll call this 12:30. So again, we just go to the appointment ends and just change the time by the drop down menu box. Change that to 12:30. And since this is, wrong button. If it is an all-day event, you can click here and it'll set your appointment for the entire day. But this is just an hour-long appointment, so you can click that. This is going to be just once for this day. This is not a repeat appointment. Okay, now we're going to add a second vet appointment here on the 24th. So I'll go ahead and start this by doing new again. We'll say vet appointment 2, location. Use the drop down menu and select the animal hospital where it takes place. This appointment starts at 12 noon, and this is going to be a 1 hour appointment. We're going to block a 1 hour time frame for this. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click OK, and here it shows up. We're also going to do set up a little vacation for us. We're going to start this on the 19th here, so we'll go ahead and add a new appointment, and we'll call this vacation. Location to be announced. See, we're going to start this at 19, 7 a.m. is fine. We're going to end this on the 21st. So just by clicking the drop down menu, we can select the correct date. And we'll end this at, say, 11:30 at night. Okay? That sounds good. We'll click OK. And we'll see that shows up right there. 19, 20, and 21 vacation. Okay, so once we set that up, we can go back to the day view, and that begins on Friday, continues to Saturday, and ends on Sunday, taking place the entire day. We'll go ahead and go back to the month view. And we'll go back right here, and we're going to go to this appointment, to the date. Oops, cancel. Okay, so that looks good to me. We'll go ahead and show this as a week view. Okay, so we see we have appointments on Tuesday for classes, Thursday for classes, Friday and Saturday, that is vacation, and we scroll over to the next day, and Sunday begins another completes the vacation day. Okay, so you can see how easy it is to add appointments into your calendar and keep that up to date with your appointments. And from here, you can go ahead and set your own appointments for what you have. And that's it. That's how you use Microsoft Works Calendar. Thank you.